guys, I used the Chef Jojo's Exotic Spice, the poultry one, and it was so quick. It was a matter of rinsing the chicken. I rinse my chicken. Rinse the chicken, sprinkle a little salt because the seasoning already have salt, so you don't want to put too much salt. So I rinse the meat, I pour some vinegar, and then rinse it again, and then I put some olive oil, coat it with olive oil, and then sprinkle the spices on it. Look at this beauty. And what I like to do is cut a piece here on both sides, and then here, that way and then the marinade can get in there. And what I do with the sauce, I keep we call that arrosé, so I keep what's the word, pouring some of the sauce, some of the chicken broth right here on it. Look at this. And it smells delicious. Smells so good. So when you're using the spices, all you have to do is like pour some olive oil. That way it can coat, it can help to stick, make the seasoning stick to the meat. So you pour some, it could be butter or olive oil, and then you want to cover every space, that way you make sure it's well seasoned. I like my food to be flavorful, so if you want to have a little bit of spice, that's fine too, but I like to cover it up. I like to cover up my meat with both sides with the seasoning, and even some on the inside, and I have a piece of lemon inside on the other side. Oh, well, inside the meat there. That's Chef Jojo's Exotic Spice. See this?